Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Yes Online class series, and I hope that all of you are doing great. Today in this video we are going to talk about the famous poem After Apple Picking from the textbook of 12th class English under Jacobus, written by the well-known writer Robert Frost, the poet of Mending Wall and Road Not Taken. And this is a beautiful metaphorical and symbolic poem. When we look at first time, we will get an outer meaning, external meaning, but it will have amazing inner meanings when we will try to interpret these lines. So let's start. My long two-pointed ladder is sticking through a tree towards heaven still. And there is a barrel that I didn't fill beside it. And there may be 2 or 3 apples I didn't pick upon some bough. But I'm done with apple picking now. A sense of winter sleep is on the night. The scent of apples I'm drowsing off. I cannot rub the strangeness from my sight. I got from looking through a pane of glass. I skimmed this morning from the drinking trough. In these lines, poet says that my long two-pointed means two-angled ladder. Ladder, as you know, a portable stair which we will use in order to climb on trees or upside of building or something else, is sticking. Sticking means placed or fixed to a tree, to apple tree, from where I have to pick apple towards heaven still. As I have told you, the poem being a metaphorical poem, if we are looking from its external meaning, the ladder is placed toward the sky. But there is another inner meaning also, that is, the poet intends to say that he is climbing in his life, achieving goals one by one, and he is about to go to heaven. Means after his death he has to go to heaven. There are 2 meanings for heaven. The first one is that paradise, and the second one is sky. And there is a barrel that I didn't fill beside it. What says that there is a barrel. After picking apples, we have to put in the barrel which we put already in downside. So there is a barrel which I didn't fill yet, and there may be 2 or 3 apples I didn't pick upon some boughs, and there may be remaining 2 or 3 apples on the branches. Bough means branches, which I didn't pick yet. Now I didn't pick that are those are remaining on the branch, but I'm done with apple picking now. But I'm done with. Done with is a phrasal verb. Its root verb will be do with, means I'm exhausted, extremely tired. A sense of winter sleep is on the night. You know, the season is winter season, when apples will be on the trees. So at the time of winter season, at the night time, they will have an amazing sleep, an extraordinary sleep for the people, because the climate will be cold, more cold, and people will use blankets and something thin so as to get a proper sleep. So the essence means good smell, good fragrance. So if I have to get that, the essence of that sleeping, that only I'll get on the night. But now really I'm getting sleep. And here also comes the inner meaning that when the poet describes about sleep, there is another meaning that when a man is achieving dreams one by one, there will be obstacles. Now he is collecting apples, picking apples, but in between that his work is disturbed. So its inner meaning is that while we will try to achieve the goals one by one, we will get obstacles in our way. The scent of apples, I'm drowsing off. When I'm trying to pick apples, I'm getting the scent, the smell of apples, and I'm drowsing off, feeling drowsy, getting sleep. I cannot rub the strangeness from my sight. I cannot rub the strangeness. Strangeness, the poet describes here the sleep just like a stranger who came in between my work and me. So, but I cannot get rid of sleep. I have to sleep now. And now the poet fell asleep standing on the ladder. And now something is happening in the dream that the poet describes in the poem. I got from looking through a pane of glass. I skimmed this morning from the drinking trough. As I have told you, now the poet fell asleep, and the poet feels that he is seeing a pane of ice which he has taken from the drinking trough. Trough means a narrow opened drum which we will place for animals for drinking and eating. So from that drinking trough, today morning I had skimmed. Skimmed means removing from the surface of water. Skims come off the jam, let it be cool, we can say. Scum means the external layer which will be on a liquid. So the pain which I have skimmed today morning, now the poet feels as he looks through that pain to behind it and held against the world of hoary grass. Hoary means grass covered with frost, that is snow, covered with snow. So the pain is placed against grass which is covered with snow. It melted and let it fall and break. Normally, if we will take an ice layer from a trough and if we place that on the land, it will be normally melting. So like that, it also melted and fell and broken into pieces. But I was well upon my way to sleep before it melted. But before it melted, I was on my way to sleep. I had fallen asleep before it fell. And I could tell what form my dreaming was about to take. And I could tell before asleep that I could imagine what kind of dreams will have been appeared in front of me. Normally I know that will be related to apple picking. Magnified apples appear and disappear. Now the poet feels that when he sleeps, he sees dreams that magnified. Magnified means huge, big apples are appearing and disappearing as it is a dream in the sleep. Stem and blossom end, and its apples stem, the hard part, the downward stem, base, and the blossom part. Blossom means upward where the flowers will have. So it's two ends, that blossom and stem and flourishing part I could see in the dream, and every fleck of russet showing clear. Even though the poet is sleeping, he can see every fleck. Fleck means a very small area of a particular color. So every fleck of russet showing clear. Russet means brownish color. So every specified brownish color areas of the apples also I can see in my dream. So now you don't forget that poet is asleep and standing on the ladder which is placed into the apple tree. So now poet says that my instep arch not only keeps the ache, it keeps the pleasure of a ladder round. Instep means the top part of feet between the ankle and toes. So instep, the upper part of foot, which will be shown as an arch. So instep arch is not only getting ache but also getting the pressure of round shaped ladder when the poet gets the pain on instep arch, the poet is normally coming into the wake up mood. I feel the ladder sway as the boss bent. I feel that the poet feels that the ladder is swaying as bow of trees are swaying. So he is losing his ladder's balance on the tree. So that is going to sway as the bows are swaying. And I keep hearing from the cellar bin. Cellar bin, the bin in which I have to put apples. So from that I am getting the sound of filling of apple in that bin. The trembling sound of load on load of apples coming in. So I'm getting the sound of filling of apple in the bin. For I have had too much in this harvest. I have had a lot of apples to pick. I have had a great an amazing harvest in this year. For I have had too much of apple picking in this year. I am overtired of the great harvest I myself desired. The poet says that he's getting tired, he's getting exhausted by collecting a huge harvest of the year. There were 10,000 fruit to touch. It means there were a lot of apples to touch my hands, means to pick. Cherish in hand, I handled with care, I plucked it with care, because it should not be fallen down. Lift down and not let fall. I am not letting to fall out of the barrel, because all that struck the earth, all apples which will struck the earth when I am putting down, if it is touching the earth and it is getting damaged, no matter if not bruised. Bruised means injured. There is no matter if not bruised, if not injured, but if it is injured or damaged or spiked with stubble, or it is falling on the stubble, means the stem of apple from where we will pick. If it is falling down on that, there is no matter, because it will not be getting damaged. So what is the problem with getting damaged? Because those apples which are damaged or went surely to the cider apple. Cider apple means apples drawing for juice. So as no worth, it will be considered as no worth. I cannot sell it. One can see what will trouble. How many kinds of problems are there a man has to face, that the poet asks. And sleep of mind, the poet is confused. Whatever sleep it is, what kind of sleep it is. Were he not gone? The sleep not gone yet? The poet is confused. The woodchucker could say whether it is like his woodchucker, an animal from the family of squirrel, or he will be in a hyper sleep for a long time. His long sleep, as I described, it's coming on, or just some human sleep. So the poet is getting confused that whether this sleep is a human sleep or the woodchuck's sleep. So in these poems there are a lot of symbols which we have to understand, that the ladder. Ladder means here the symbol of success, and also symbol of preoccupation with poet's death, means he says that the ladder is placed towards the heaven, means the place where he has to go after his death. And barrel means the opportunities which a man will get in his life. And poet says about empty barrel, it indicates about the opportunities which we missed in our life. And sleep is described as the obstacle which will come, or the barrier which will come in between our job and us. And winter sleep is meant as death. because in winter sleep there will be a deep sleep. It will be a separate sleep rather than a normal sleep in summer season. So that also we have to understand from in between these lines. So this is about the poem after apple picking, and let's meet in the next class. Thank you, thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.